Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today in this video I will explain the removal of brackets. First of all, I will tell you the different types of brackets. This bracket is called bar bracket or binoculum. Next bracket is called small bracket. This is a small bracket. Next one is curly bracket and next one is a square bracket. So, what is the order of removal of brackets? In which order we have to remove the brackets? In any expression, the order of removal of brackets is first bracket that we have to remove is a bar bracket or a binoculum, and second bracket is a small bracket. Third bracket is a curly bracket, and fourth bracket that we have to remove is a square bracket. This is the order of removal of brackets: bar bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, and a square bracket. So, what is the order of removal of brackets? Bar bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, and a square bracket. Now, we have to learn 2-3 points here, that if there is a plus sign or negative sign outside the bracket, then is there any change in the value of that expression or not? Yes, if there is a plus sign outside the bracket, there will be no change in the signs of any term of the expression. If suppose that here is a plus sign outside this small bracket, then the expression remains same, all the signs remains same. So a plus b minus c, that is remains same. If there is a plus sign outside this curly bracket, then in the same way we have to do any bracket. If there is a plus sign outside that bracket, then there will be no change in the signs of every term inside the bracket. Now next one, if there is a negative sign outside the bracket, then that negative sign will get multiplied with all the terms inside the bracket. The signs of all the terms inside the bracket will get changed. If there is a plus sign, plus will become negative. If there is a negative sign, negative will become positive. See, when we will multiply this negative sign inside the bracket, what we will get? Minus a. A is a plus sign here, then minus b, then minus plus c. So next example we can take minus into inside the bracket 5 plus 6 minus a. When we will multiply this negative sign inside the bracket, what we will get? Plus is 5 is of plus sign, so we will get minus 5. 6 is of plus sign, so we will get minus 6. Plus minus is plus a. And see, this is curly bracket. Same thing we have to do, that this when negative sign will get multiplied inside the bracket, then each term inside the bracket, the sign of each term inside the bracket will get changed. Plus positive sign will become negative sign and negative sign will become positive sign. Minus a minus b. Now next we can take square bracket. Suppose that we are multiplying minus 2 inside the bracket. So what we will get? Minus 2a, then minus 2b. This 2 is also multiplying with all the terms inside the bracket, and negative sign is also multiplying with all the terms inside the bracket. This is very important when we do the removal of any brackets, any types of brackets. When we do the removal, then what we have to do, we have to follow. If there is a plus sign outside the bracket, then there will be no change in all the terms. There will be no change in the signs. If there is a negative sign outside the bracket, then the signs will get reversed. Now, before solving any expression, let us learn this BODMAS rule also. B stands for bracket. Means it can be any type of bracket. It can be small bracket, it can be square bracket, it can be curly bracket, any type of bracket. O means off. Off means a part of something, part of anything, and for off we use multiply sign. Okay, but off is not a multiplication. Off means a part of something. D for division, and M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction as the names. Now I have taken this expression. We have to solve this expression. So what we will do, first of all we have to, according to BODMAS rule, first of all we will solve the bracket. Then inside the bracket again we have to apply DMAS rule. So to apply DMAS rule, first of all we solve this. 15 divided by 3. We know that 15 divided by 3 is 5. Then 20 minus 5 is 15. 18 minus 15. Now we can remove the bracket. Then 18 minus 15 is 3. First of all we have used division. Then division is 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now no multiplication is there, no addition is there. Then we have used subtraction. Then after subtraction bracket is there, that bracket is removed. Now simply we can add or subtract. If there is an addition then we will add. If there is a subtraction then we can subtract. Or whatever the condition we will use. Now next example, I have taken this. See here, bar bracket is also there, small bracket is also there, curly bracket is also there. So we will follow the order of removal of brackets. The first bracket which we have to remove, that is a bar bracket. So I have written all other things as it is. First we have to solve bar bracket. See, in bar bracket, under the bar bracket, what we have to do? 3, either we can add 2 minus 1. What we will get? 1. Then 1 plus 3 is 4. Or first we can add 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 minus, this will be a 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So now this small bracket closed and curly bracket also closed. Now next we have to solve this small bracket. Simple addition is there, so we can simply add the numbers. 15 plus 14 minus 13 plus 4 is 17. Now another bracket is also removed, that is a small bracket. Now simply we can put curly bracket. Next is we have to solve curly brackets. Then inside the curly brackets, this 15 plus 14. 15 plus 14 is 29 minus 17. Now 29 minus 17 is 12. So this curly bracket is also removed. Now simply we can subtract 35 minus 12 is equals to 23. In this way we can solve the value of any expression in which different types of brackets are given by using the order of removal of brackets. Just remember that we have to follow a particular order. Now next example is this. Then how to solve this example? See, as here is a bar bracket, so first of all we have to solve this bar bracket. Leave all other things. First we will solve bar bracket only. 13 plus 4 minus 8 plus 4. Now this negative sign is outside the bar bracket, so we will write this negative sign as it is. Which two numbers are under the bar bracket? 1 and 3. So these two will get add. This negative sign is outside. Okay, so 3 plus 1 is 4. First we have solved. 3 plus 1 is 4. Don't consider it as a minus 1 because minus 1 is not under the bar bracket, that is outside the bar bracket. So next we have to solve this small brackets. To solve small bracket, what we have to do? See, this 4 gets cancelled out, or 4 minus 4 is 0. We are left with 8 only here. 27 minus 13 plus 4. This small bracket is also solved. Now next 13 plus 4 we can add. 13 plus 4 is 17. 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8 is 9. 27 minus 9, which is equals to 18. So in this way we can remove the brackets by using order of removal of brackets.